According to a federal court filing, Academy Sports and Outdoors violated the law by selling a rifle and large capacity magazine to the man who later used the gun to kill 26 people at a Texas church. The Department of Justice says Devin Kelly used a Colorado driver's license to buy the rifle and ammunition at an academy in Texas. The gun Kelly used to kill worshipers at the First Baptist Church in Sutherland Springs is a Ruger AR-556. It's illegal in Colorado. Now the Department of Justice wants to add Academy as a responsible third party in an ongoing federal lawsuit. A spokeswoman for the Texas-based company declined to comment Thursday on the federal action. Katie Johnston for CBS 11 News.